How to fix login errors on WhatsApp. Fixing login errors on WhatsApp is actually quite simple to do. So the reason you might not be able to log in sometimes is due to a couple of reasons. First of all, we want to make sure we're connected to a proper internet connection. Second of all, you want to make sure that your phone number is correct. So I'm sure that is not quite the issue for most of you, but sometimes it could just be. So just better to check your phone number first. Now another thing what we can try to do is sometimes the issue could be with the WhatsApp itself. So we have to just long press the WhatsApp app icon, as you can see, and tap on the I button, especially for Android users, to come to app info. If you're on iPhone, you can try to offload or even reinstall the app, right? So for Android users, you can go to storage, clear the cache files, and also make sure to clear the data. Now after you've done that, what happens over here is that now you can try to come back to WhatsApp and try to log in. Now sometimes WhatsApp will not let you log in if you've been trying to log in from the same phone number over and over again. That could be the reason why they're restricting. In that case, you might want to wait a couple of minutes so that you can hopefully log into your account later. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.